This is East Coast ASMR, and today I went and picked up a couple different types of cough drops. This weather has been driving my allergies nuts. It's been making my throat raspy. It's been cold and then warm and then warm and then cold. It's just nuts. And I bought 3 different bags because I like having variety. And it's sort of this video is sort of dedicated to old Mr. Rabbit because he just put out a video of cough drops. And it had really good sounds in it. So this is dedicated to him. So the first kind I got was exactly what he had. Honey herb. I've had these before and they're good. But the next 2 are new to me. I haven't tried these next 2. The next one is the original. I've never tried the original Ricola. And then the next one that I got is Burt's Bees. And I've never tried this before. So now, Mr. Rabbit read off of this one, and he read all the stuff. So I recommend you go watch his video if you haven't, because it's very good. But I'm going to read off of these 2. Ricola, the original natural herb cough drops, cough suppressant, throat drops, fights coughs naturally, soothes sore throats from Switzerland. 21 drops. Sage, linden flowers, horehound, wild thyme, lemon balm, mallow, elder, thyme, hyssop, peppermint. Original Ricola natural herb cough drops are made today just as they were in the 1930s, using the highest quality natural herbs cultivated in Swiss alpine areas to ensure optimum taste and effectiveness. Herbs have been used around the world for centuries. For over 75 years, Ricola has been making pleasant-tasting, natural herbal products for natural relief of discomfort due to sore throat and minor irritation due to coughs, hoarseness, dry throat, and loss of voice. Ricola is nature's way of calming coughs and soothing throats. I think the Ricola bags make awesome noise. Next one. Burt's Bees natural throat drops, honey with menthol and eucalyptus oil. 100% natural soothes sore throats. Made with 35% pure honey. close this and open it. Okay, so I open it up. Burt's Bees Natural Throat Drops. Sorry about the whole camera angle stuff. I use my phone, and I don't have like a tripod or nothing. So let's see. It smells good. It smells kind of like a peppermint honey candy. Oh my goodness. It tastes so good. It really tastes, it tastes so much, the honey, it tastes really honey. Like out of all I love honey, and out of all the other cough drops that were honey flavored, this tastes like real honey. It's so good. Oh, I would highly recommend this if you like honey. So delicious. And the menthol and the eucalyptus oil isn't so overpowering. It's a nice mix. If you have like a really sore throat that needs a lot of menthol, I wouldn't suggest this. I mean, this has enough to make it feel cooling, but it's not as bad. I mean, it's not as much as like a Halls eucalyptus or something. I'll see, it only has 2 milligrams of menthol. This one has 4.8 milligrams. And this one has 2. So I guess this would be comparable to this with the menthol. And this one would be a little bit stronger, so if you needed something with a little bit more kick to it, I guess you could get this one. finish this video. I'm not sure if you will, but if you ever do. I know you said in your video that you like honey. Well, you would really, really, really like this if you can find it. I found it at Walgreens, but I don't know if it'll be near you. But if you can, I would suggest getting it. And it was under $3, so it wasn't as expensive as other Burt's Bees products. So you should get this. Isn't that pretty? Is that what Switzerland looks like? I wish I lived somewhere that looked like that. Well, guys, I think that I'm going to call this a night. I hope you enjoyed some of these plastic sounds and maybe a little bit of the cough drop sound. I don't know if that picked up or anything. But I hope everyone's having a pleasant evening. I hope you have a great night.